Launching a new database? It's a big move and it deserves more than just clicking install. At DataOps IT, we believe your database is the foundation of your digital operations. And that foundation needs to be strong, secure, and smart right from the start. Our experts take the time to understand your business, your data needs, and your long-term growth. We don't just install your database, we set it up for success. Whether you're using MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, or SQL Server. From system compatibility checks to storage layout, from user access control to backup strategy, we handle it all with care. Just a smooth, professional installation that sets you up for years of reliability. We also ensure your database is secure from day one, protecting you from cyber threats, internal leaks, and unexpected crashes. With DataOps IT, your database won't just work, it will work brilliantly. Choose smart. Choose strong. Choose DataOps IT for database installation that's done the right way.